Okay, hey everybody. Well, it's been a while since my last video, and I've made a good amount of progress. Kind of. Let's see. So, we have everything lined up, painted. We got a new motor. This is a Pitman electric motor, I think. They're found a lot in a lot of I guess other like model trains, but this one is kind of set up with sort of a janky, kind of messed up looking little worm gear setup right here. So the motor feeds to a little brass and then actually runs off of the front wheel. But hopefully it works this time. Oh, okay, yeah, and see that's kind of one of the first problems. The back of this is weighted a whole lot because if you kind of look at where the center of gravity is on that, you can see that the motor is all the way here in the back. Oh, you can see that the motor is all the way here in the back. And so all of the weight is kind of over those back two wheels, and so the front has a tendency to hop up off the track, as well as the gauge is a little bit off. Or no, actually we're good. Okay, the back wheel of the gauge is a little bit off, kind of wiggles a bit. So what's going to have to happen is the body needs to be 3D printed, and a whole bunch of weight needs to be added to the front of that, which shouldn't be too hard. Because I can just, probably get some, well, I can't do a casting. I don't have any of the supplies to do, kind of like melt down any sort of metal and, cast a little disc that could go in there. But I'm sure I could find something, maybe just super glue it on the inside. But inevitably, that will sit over like that. Obviously, it will look a lot better once it's complete. It's going to have to be a little bit bigger because the height of the motor on the back and the height of the cab is not the same. So right now it sits probably about 1 centimeter above, so it's going to get a lot beefier. But if you look at the actual model, I mean, it's of the these 282Ts, the actual body of it's pretty big. So I think this can be inflated a good bit. And then as for the power pickup, it's just sort of your standard. I think they're Walters electric trucks. All of the wiring is just going to be hidden right in there by this little caboose. And then I have a couple cars that goes behind this. It's a Milwaukee Road, dining car, as well as two like 1950s era Streamliner cars. All of this is built off the consist of the cider train that I took almost a year ago. So, hopefully I'll have another video out pretty soon since progress is coming along, and I'll actually have a few other projects kind of in the pipeline to show you guys. So, hope everyone's been doing well, and thanks for watching the video.